Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. First, you have to log into your MoonPay account and make sure that your account is completely verified, because without verification you can't buy, sell cryptocurrency, or you can complete deposit or withdraw process on MoonPay. After login to your account, you will find buy button here. You just need to simply click on buy, and from here make sure that in this buy section Bitcoin is set. In default, my account default coin is Bitcoin, that's why it's already set here. You can click on it and find it from here, Bitcoin, and you can simply find other coins from here. Now, after choosing the Bitcoin, you just need to enter the amount that you want to buy Bitcoin. You just need to enter the amount and they will convert into the Bitcoin that you will get. Now, after that, click on continue. After continue, you will need to enter your Bitcoin address from here. You will find it in your wallet. You just need to go to your Bitcoin wallet and click on the three dot button, and there you will find the address of your Bitcoin. You just need to enter your Bitcoin to avoiding any type of hassle or losing your currency. Then you just need to select one of these payment method. There is only two payment method available in MoonPay. Bank card is most safe and fastest way in MoonPay. So if you choose bank card, then enter your card number, your expiry date, CVC, and you just need to enter the card billing address here. After that, you just need to confirm the transaction and give the access from your bank account and complete the payment, and you will get a Bitcoin in your account. That's how you can buy Bitcoin on MoonPay. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.